Are you ready to elevate your cooking game? Let's dive into the world of 12-inch frying pans. This pan is the bridge between snack preparation and meal engineering. Its spacious design allows for searing multiple proteins without overcrowding. Why is a 12-inch skillet superior? It boasts a larger cooking surface. For instance, it can hold up to 4 chicken breasts, compared to just 2 in a 10-inch pan. Let's explore the materials. First, we have multi-clad stainless steel. It's perfect for professional searing and pan sauces. It heats evenly, ensuring no cold spots while cooking. Next, we have hard anodized nonstick. This choice is ideal for delicate dishes and easy food release, making cooking simple and cleanup easy. Lastly, seasoned cast iron is a classic. It retains heat well, perfect for browning and oven-to-table bakes. When choosing a 12-inch pan, here are key features to consider. First, look for a helper handle. It makes lifting heavy pans safer. Next, ensure it has a sturdy base. A thicker base means better heat retention and stability. Finally, check for induction compatibility. A magnetized base ensures efficiency no matter your stove type. Now, let's check out the top picks. All-Clad HA1 is the best nonstick option, known for even heat distribution and durability. For budget-friendly buyers, Tefal offers great performance at an affordable price. If you prefer stainless steel, All-Clad D3 stands out for its exceptional durability. And if you want timeless cast iron, Lodge is your go-to for high-heat cooking. In summary, the right 12-inch frying pan can elevate your culinary skills. Ready to cook like a pro? Choose wisely and transform your meals into masterpieces.